And you'll be right there. Very nice. Pardon me, lovely lady, little gentleman. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, there we are. And then our next builder's right here. Thank you. Well done, everyone. You've all found your way here. Everyone's got a place to be. So welcome. I know the workshop is it's a lot. But to us, it is everything. Now you might be thinking, we are surrounded by a lot of old junk. Rest assured, some of this is new junk. You will have the opportunity to meet Tessa and Ashley, Cassie, Sydney, Jackie, and Becky. And you may call me Kembe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper sees only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the key to ensuring our future. How many of you know the legend of Luke Skywalker? Quite a few. Good, good. And now we understand there is another, a new Jedi. Tell me her name. Rey. Rey, correct. A scrapper, just like us. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber becomes a direct reflection of the builder because the force flows between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough of my talking, let's get started. We will begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, and that is the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. There are those who say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of the blade. For example, blue, as wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and we are told red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, great master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, as wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are those who call this the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. So, now it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes. No peeking. Picture those kyber crystals in your mind's eyes. What color shines brightest to you? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now open your eyes and select your kyber crystal. Well chosen, my friends. Now that you've selected that crystal, feel free to place it in the green crystal holder directly in front of you. Don't worry, we're going to get right back to those. They are not going to be alone for long. We are going to join them with the same design that we have foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of your control. It is the part that prevents your hand from being disintegrated. Very important part. Now, as you look down, you will see the components for the saber design that you've selected. You will find a chassis, a selection of grips, emitters, pommel caps, and activation plates. Building your lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, you will choose the pieces that make up your own individual lightsaber. The gatherers are here to help you along this path. So all of that being said, let's build.
My name is Becky. I'm here to assist you with your build. So your first step is to grab your chassis and your crystal. And your crystal is going to go into the center chamber here. So if you see the vents that indicates the top direction of our build, I recommend using the pointed part of your crystal and aiming it right underneath those vents. There's a little bit of a spring there. I use both of my thumbs to guide it into place. If you find a laser light, that is okay as well. And once it's in place, it should make those vents light up the same color as its crystal. You should be able to get a little too. Perfect for you as well. So now we can move on to our activation plates here on the opposite side. If you pick up this set of plates that you're interested in, you're going to look on the inside. There's a red square on one and a blue square on the other. Yes. So, the plates are going to cover your crystal and protect it. It's also going to have the switch to activate your hilt. So just match that red square that's on the inside of that hilt to the red onto the chassis, and then the blue square right onto the blue one.
I don't know.
There's a blue square here,
oh, got
and match right to the one. And then the same with the red. Then just make sure that you're comfortable with the switch that you've chosen. That's how you'll activate your hilt whenever necessary. Excellent. So you can move on to your grips. Just choose any two of those four.
Okay.
You're going to place the wider edge of those grips towards your activation.
Okay.
So simply move on to your grips here. Any two, take the wider rim of them towards your activation plate. You'll push down and then twist probably once or twice until that grip sets in good.
You choose two, you said?
Yes, one for the top, one for the bottom.
Oh, I see.
You have one more to choose, and that'll go on the very bottom. One more. The wider part. I find it easiest if you flip it the opposite way when you're tightening it, and then turn it around just like that. Gravity helps you. You don't have to do it. Once both of your grips are in place, you can move on to your emitter at number 3. That's going to go on to the very top.
Is this part supposed to line up at all?
They
Or?
are not.
Okay.
Eventually they may or may not, depending on how much you use your hilt.
Okay.
Kind of just relax a little bit more in the chassis. But if
Gotcha.
they don't line up, that is okay. Once your emitter is in place,
Savi always says,
just to have your pommel.
on your head.
So that will be your last.
The first piece that you reach for, there's probably a reason. Honor your impulses. Don't overthink.
See, all the same style, but such different pieces we've all created. Once you are set, I'm just going to place it right here, and I'll do a final check for you in just a minute. Pleasure.
There we go.
Coaching my travelers. Coaching my travelers. Yes, I am. That's okay. Oh, yeah, I knew you were just going to do that.
Oh my God.
Good.
So we're good.
Back to you to double check that for you.
Does it look good?
You did an excellent job. I was just distracted by the pieces you chose. They are quite beautiful. Now, when Kyber does tell you to activate, just push up on your support. Excellent.
So is it an odd saber? An odd saber? Is it different than many sabers?
I mean, if you take a look just right here, the same style, but two completely different builds.
Different
Yes, I
power?
would say builds, two different designs from the same type of pieces. So I would say quite a unique piece. But of course, you need to every builder because no two builders are the same.
That's good. Don't have all the extra details. These are excellent hilts, my friends. All of these reflecting different eras of force wielder. Power and control, peace and justice, elemental nature, protection and defense. All of these also reflecting different schools of thought as to how the force was meant to be wielded. My friend here, how long have you been wanting to build a lightsaber?
Oh, for a long time. All my whole life.
Your entire life, absolutely. My friend here, how long?
A long time.
A long time. My young friend here, how long? Not long at all. Absolutely. I appreciate your honesty. The point in my asking was actually that destiny brings us here when it chooses. Not always as quickly as we would like. Sometimes patience is not the lesson we had to be taught. We get here right away. But all of you are here now for a particular reason. All of you amongst one another for a particular reason. And now all of you having this incredible companion to take you throughout the galaxy. Take a look down at what you have created. These are reflections of you and your choices. Honor those. You've all assembled your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened yet, which is good because this is the dangerous part of the process. I'm going to ask my builders and observers, please move away from the table, step away from those hilts. I want everyone to have the illusion of safety. We're going to stabilize these crystals for activation. Simple process, unless we've inverted an emitter matrix. If we have messed up, what do you think happens, my friend? We're gone, it blows up, both acceptable answers on this quiz. All that is important, do you feel safe, my friend? Yes. You do. Good. That is one of us. I can All right. We're going to make sure that all of these have their best chance for stabilization. So I will modulate these frequencies myself. We will see how this goes. What's happening?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is time. We are at the final stage of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In just a moment, I will ask my builders to step forward. You will place your hands on your hilts, and together, on my mark, you will activate. Is everyone ready? Yes. Then step forward, my friends. Hands on your hilts, and activate. Builders, raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, deactivate those sabers. Well done.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. You hold in your hands remarkable power. and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Protect your lightsaber as you depart. We will offer you a saber sheath. Our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy and to remember that you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsaber that you have created. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your stories. Till the spire.
Build the spire.
Take a picture.
Where?
Yeah, just see.
What?
Sorry.
All right, Charlie, so come right out, sweetie.
This is heavy, this thing. Feel how heavy it is.
Want to take a picture?